Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your OTC card at Walmart. First, ensure you understand your card's benefits and current balance. You can usually check this online or by calling the number on the back of your card. Next, familiarize yourself with the types of over-the-counter items your plan covers. Many cards cover common health products like pain relievers, bandages, and certain vitamins. Knowing this beforehand will make your shopping trip much smoother. When you're in a Walmart store, look for items clearly marked as eligible for OTC purchases. These often have a special sticker or are located in a dedicated section. At checkout, it's helpful to separate your eligible OTC items from any other groceries. When paying, simply swipe your OTC card like a regular debit or credit card. If prompted, you might need to enter a 4-digit PIN, so have that ready. For online shopping, first confirm if your specific OTC card allows purchases through Walmart's website or a dedicated portal. Not all cards offer this feature. Also, be mindful of any spending limits your plan imposes, such as a monthly allowance of $25 or a daily cap. Remember, the selection of eligible items online might differ slightly from what's available in physical stores, so always double-check. If you encounter any issues at checkout, like a declined transaction, the best first step is to contact your OTC card provider directly using the number on the back of your card. Always keep your receipts. They are essential for tracking your spending and for any potential returns or exchanges. Finally, remember that some cards require a personal identification number, or PIN, for all transactions, so have it memorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.